Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at the incredible LEGO Ideas A-Frame Cabin 21338 Collectible Display Set. Before we dive in, don't forget to check the link below for the best deals on this beautiful LEGO set. Let's get started. Overview and Design. The LEGO Ideas A-Frame Cabin 21338 is a true masterpiece for nature and architecture enthusiasts. This set features a cozy, rustic cabin nestled in a lush forest environment, complete with stunning details that bring the scene to life. It's perfect for display on your shelf or desk and will capture the imagination of anyone who sees it. What's inside the box? A-frame cabin model, the centerpiece of the set. This cabin features intricate wood-style detailing, a slanted roof, and an inviting interior. Outdoor environment. Build the scenic forest landscape, including trees, plants, and wildlife like a moose and birds. Customizable minifigures. The set includes 4 unique minifigures, each with interchangeable accessories, so you can create your own stories. Functional features. Removable roof sections allow you to access the detailed interior, complete with furniture, bookshelves, and even a fireplace. Key features and highlights. Immersive build experience. With over 2,000 pieces, this set offers a rewarding and relaxing building experience for LEGO enthusiasts. It's the perfect project for adults who love combining creativity with architecture. Attention to detail. The cabin's interior and exterior are packed with lifelike details, from the cozy fireplace inside to the mossy textures on the roof. You'll appreciate the craftsmanship that went into designing this model. Customizable and modular. The A-frame cabin is designed with modular components, making it easy to rearrange or customize. It's a great way to showcase your creativity and personalize the display. Perfect gift for nature lovers. Whether you're a fan of the outdoors, architecture, or both, this set is a fantastic gift idea for anyone who loves combining creativity with natural beauty. Display-worthy design. Once completed, the A-frame cabin measures high enough to impress but compact enough to display. It's a conversation starter for any room. Who is this for? The LEGO Ideas A-Frame Cabin is perfect for adults who enjoy creative, immersive building projects, architecture lovers who appreciate intricate designs, nature enthusiasts who want to bring the outdoors indoors, LEGO collectors looking for a standout addition to their collection. Why choose this set? This set goes beyond being just another LEGO build. It's a chance to reconnect with nature in a unique and creative way. The stunning design, customizable elements, and display-worthy finish make it a standout in the LEGO Ideas lineup. Final thoughts. The LEGO Ideas A-Frame Cabin 21338 is a stunning collectible set that brings together creativity, nature, and architectural beauty. Whether you're looking for a fun project or a display piece that tells a story, this set has it all. Don't forget to click the link below for the best deal on this amazing LEGO set. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.